Hi everyone, welcome to Color Tunes with Sampada and Purvi. Today we'll paint a dog using watercolors. I've mentioned all the materials used in the description box below. So my sketch is ready over here. It's just a basic simple sketch. So here I've started using burnt sienna mixed with water. So since this is our first layer, there's more of water and less of paint. So the brush I'm using over here is 08 round brush. So just go on adding simple strokes like these. So again, now we move on to the face. Now we'll move on to the right side. So once this layer dries, it will become lighter than what is visible right now. I'm going ahead with the same color now. So now I'm done with the first layer. Now for the second layer, I've used same burnt sienna but with less of water. So I'll go on applying in the areas where I want this shade. Make sure you don't apply this shade everywhere since we want our first layer also to be visible. So just go on doing these simple strokes as shown. So once you're done with the left side, go on to the right here. So second layer should be done only once the first layer is completely dry, otherwise the colors will just spread out. Now for the eye, I've used burnt sienna mixed with a little bit of Prussian blue. So this is the color you get. Here also again I'm applying the same color, burnt sienna with Prussian blue. So here again now I've taken a darker tone. So for the darker tone, burnt sienna and more of Prussian blue. And now once the second layer has dried, this is our third layer. And make sure you use less water over here. So using less water when your layers increase will enhance the freshness of the colors. So I'm just putting small strokes over there. that act as the fur of the animal. If you want to see a detailed video of fur, you can check out the link which is mentioned in the description box, and I'll also be attaching the link at the end of the video. Now here also it's the same color, that's burnt sienna and Prussian blue. But here I've taken a little more water than what I had taken for the ear part. Now using a thin brush I'm doing the eyes. So here I've used black for this, mixed with a little bit of Prussian blue. So that white dot what you see, I had left that space earlier, so just be careful while doing that part. Now for the snout, I've taken burnt sienna, Prussian blue and a little bit of black. So there's just a hint of burnt sienna over here, but more of it is Prussian blue and black with a lot of water over here. So using a thin brush, do these strokes. Here again, I've used Prussian blue, black with a lot of water. Now here I've taken Prussian blue and black, but less of water, so you get this dark shade. Now using the thin brush, just add strokes like these. Make sure you don't make the strokes at particular intervals, but just at random places. That's black over there, direct black. Now for this I've used burnt sienna and Prussian blue, but more of Prussian blue. So I'm applying this color in the areas I want it to be. Now the right side. So just some shades below the eyes. Here I've used burnt sienna and a little bit of blue. So I'll just make this part a bit darker. So just take a little bit of Prussian blue, more of black. Yeah, so we're finally done. Please like, share and subscribe if you liked our video. Thanks for watching.